Chat, why do they release this? This is interesting, but they always release the episodes like one episode every like fucking like 3 days. Why?
xQcOW.
Why do they do that? It was good.
Ay, excited naman ako na makita ni Ed yung babuyan dito.
Here, can I put these on my feet?
Yeah. Kaya lang parang hindi siya handa kasi yung nakasapatos pa siya. Maputik.
Okay, yeah, hold on.
Oh,
Holy shit,
take
chat
yourself.
IT took
Okay.
Valorant 8 years to make
Right
such
there, okay.
a shit game, oh my god.
Oh, God, okay. Okay. Oh, wait, sorry. Oh, don't bite me.
Where did the neck go, dude?
I think the baggies are making me more slipperier. I'm standing there trying to catch my balance because every step I take, I'm stepping into
Hello,
mud, more
Mr.
mud.
Cow. I love
can't
her streams
get
and I
good
love you,
footings 'cause
chat.
I'm in
Just
sneakers
fucking
wrapped
kidding.
in plastic baggies. I just kept falling.
Here, this way.
How do I get over there?
Take this.
Just throw it?
Yeah, yeah.
Jesus, this guy, dude.
10 months baby.
Son of a bitch.
Hurrah.
Son of a bitch.
You. Hurrah.
I'm sorry.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. So, Rose, where does your dad live?
Here. Here, inside. With pig.
Does he like living here?
Yeah. Gusto mo ba daw pa nandito ka?
Yes, yes.
These are my father passion.
Jesus.
Yeah, this is fun. No, tell him I had a lot of fun.
Natuwa naman daw siya.
Yeah, this was good.
This is so odd, dude.
There's something that I wanted to ask you. Last night I had a hard time sleeping because it was so hot. So I wanted to take a vacation for a couple days with Rose, if you're okay with that.
Pag gusto daw niya na
Jesus.
magbakasyon kami. I feel my dad is always
Neck
protecting
reveal,
me.
please.
So, I feel nervous because I have no idea if he said yes or no.
Okay lang, basta alagaan mo siya ng ano,
You just,
maayos.
I promise.
Okay.
I promise.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, we'll see you again soon.
Okay, okay.
I'm so glad we're going on this vacation away from our family and away from like this environment.
Mag-ingat ka.
tatawag ako sa'yo.
Okay.
So I can figure out a couple.
What kind of hug is that?
So I
What the fuck kind of hug is that?
Sa'yo.
Okay.
so I can figure out a couple.
Jesus. Hey, hug
things
your
for
dad, dude?
myself. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
That's not even her dad.
Because I came to the Philippines to marry Rose, but I'm not 100% sure it's true love on her end. So I need some more alone time with her before I put a ring on her finger. Okay, let's go.
I think her dad is exactly where this guy's neck is. Absolutely gone. Okay.